watch the presentation about Indonesia. Social Studies about Indonesia with teacher Putri Priska Dwiningrum for class primary 2. Indonesia Geography. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. It consists of 5 major islands and about 30 smaller groups. The archipelago is on a crossroad between two oceans, the Pacific and the Indian, and bridges to continents Asia and Australia. Indonesian nature and wildlife. The moderate climate, fertile soil and minerals found on the land and in the waters of Indonesia make the archipelago an ideal habitat for a large amount of incredible flora and fauna. The two most famous species associated with Indonesia are the orang-utan and the Komodo dragon. This is the orang-utan and Komodo dragon. One nation, one country, and one language. As one of the world's most diverse countries, diversity is a central feature of Indonesia culture. It has 300 ethnic groups and 750 language and dialect, with several local languages having their own script, and numerous religions as a result of the country's unique history and geography. There are 6 religions in Indonesia. Indonesia is notorious with its huge Muslim population, the largest in the world despite being a secular country by law. But Islam is just one of 6 official religions acknowledged in the country. Islam, Protestant, Catholic, Hindu, Buddhist, and Confucian. Ethnicity. 95% of over 300 ethnic groups in Indonesia are of native Indonesia ancestry. The ethnic group in Indonesia in order of size are as follows: Javanese, which make up nearly 42% of the total population, Sundanese 31%, Malay 3.7%, Maduranese 3.3%, and others 26%. Society. Indonesia is a collectivist society that puts greater importance on the group rather than on individuals. This is the society way of life, and is a manifest in the form of mutual assistance or gotong royong and consultation musyawarah, which occur before arriving at consensus mufakat. This is the example of gotong royong, and this is the example of musyawarah or mufakat. The government of the Republic of Indonesia. Indonesia is a democratic country that applies a presidential system, and Pancasila is the soul of the Indonesia democracy. Pancasila is the philosophic fundamental of the state. This is the symbol of Pancasila, burung Garuda. Pancasila consists of 5 principles that are interlinked and inseparable, namely 1. The belief in one God, atau ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. 2. A just and civilized humanism, keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. 3. Unity of Indonesia, persatuan Indonesia. 4. Democratic citizen led by wise guide born of representative consultation. 4. Kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan. 5. Social justice for all the people of Indonesia, keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Province. Indonesia has 34 provinces, include two special territories of Nagro, Aceh Darussalam, and Yogyakarta, and one special capital region of Jakarta. East Timor was once part of Indonesia, but then through a referendum in 1999, East Timor became the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. Okay, this pic shows the 34 provinces in Indonesia. Politics. As in other democratic countries, Indonesia applies the Trias Politica that recognizes the separation of the legislative, executive, and judicial bodies. The executive institution is centralized under the President, Vice President, and the Cabinet of Ministers. The President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo. The Vice President of Indonesia, Ma'ruf Amin. Economy. Indonesia has abundant natural resources outside Java, including crude oil, natural gas, tin, copper, and gold. Despite being the second largest exporter of natural gas, Indonesia has become a net importer of crude oil. The agriculture products of Indonesia include rice, tea, coffee, spice, and rubber. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you and bye.